Okay, so page 5 of solids. We're just going to review some equations to calculate volume and area. If h is the height and r is the radius of the base, then if we want to find the surface area of a cylinder, then we can unroll the vertical part, and it would be a rectangle with height h and width 2 pi r, because the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so the area of this unrolled part is 2 pi r h, because it's a rectangle. What about the area of each of the two ends? It would just be pi r squared. So the total surface area would be 2 times pi r squared, because it's the top and the bottom. And we add it to the unrolled part, 2 pi r h. Okay? This just reminding you that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. That's what we used to figure this out. Okay? Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Okay? Area of the curved surface of a cone is pi rl. Total surface area of a cone is pi rl plus pi r squared, because pi rl is the slanted part, and the base is just pi r squared. Okay. 10f. Calculate the surface area of each solid. So A, we have this upside down ice cream cone, and the slant height is 7 centimeters. Okay, and remember that the surface area of a cone is made up of the slanted part, right? And then it's got the base. Okay, the base is just pi r squared. The slanted part is pi r l. What is L? L is this slant height here. So we have, and the R in this case is half of this, so it would be 3. Okay, so pi times 3 times 7, which is 21 pi, is the area of the slanted part. And then the base is pi r squared, so that would be pi 3 squared, which is 9 pi. So if I added those two together, I would get 21 pi plus 9 pi, which is 30 pi for the total surface area of the cone. Okay, that's A. What about B? B is a sphere. We're going to calculate the surface area of the sphere. We know that the equation for the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r squared. The r here is 1, so that's just equal to 4 pi 1 squared, which is just equal to 4 pi. Okay. C. C is a hemisphere. So a hemisphere has two parts. It's got this flat part, and it's got like the curved part. Okay? And the flat part is just going to be pi r squared. And the r here is going to be half of 3, which is 1.5. So pi r squared would be pi times 1.5 squared. And this curved part is going to be 4 pi r squared divided by 2, because it's just half of a sphere, right? And the radius is 1.5, so it'd be 4 pi 1.5 squared divided by 2, so this would cancel out, give you 2. So 1.5 squared is 2.25. So it'd be 2.25 pi. And this flat part here is also 2.25 pi. Oh, but this one here is 2 times 2.5. Okay? So if you add those together, you get 3 times 2.25 pi, because you have 2 of them here and you have 1 of them here. So that would be 3 times 2.25 to 6 points, so you'd have 6.75 pi. That's C. Okay? What about D? D is a cylinder, and it's got a radius of 1.5, and it's got a height of 2, even though it's drawn sideways. And then, so remember that the equation for the surface area of a cylinder is this one here. 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r squared. 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r squared is the whole formula. So 2 pi 1.5 times h2 plus 2 pi r 1.5 squared is equal to, let's see, 1.5 times 2 times is 6 pi plus, and then 1.5 squared is 2.25 times 2, 4.5 pi. Okay, so 10.5 pi is the total. All right. Number 3, the surface area of a sphere is 1,000 centimeters squared. Find its radius. So this is just an algebra problem because the surface area for a sphere is 4 pi r squared. If we set that equal to 1,000 centimeters squared, then we just need to solve for r. So we get r squared equals 1,000 divided by 4 pi. And for pi, we just put in 3.14 to get a number out. And we get 79.6. And then we take the square root of that to get the r value, and we get 8.92 centimeters. Okay, and that's it for page 5.